Hi, Whitney here, and I'm excited that you're watching this lesson because it means that you took one of our practice cats and now you have data. We can start to diagnose the best way for you to improve. I'm gonna give you a step-by-step tour of how to review your cat and how to set up your upcoming study plan. Okay, I need you to download our cat review tracker since we're gonna be filling that out together. You'll also need to open your most recent cat to the cat review screen. And since we'll be referencing both, I like to have them open side by side. We'll start on the main screen of your cat review. And I know that it's tempting to focus on the percentiles, but ignore them. Trust me, they're meaningless in terms of telling you how to improve. We only care about the subscores and the overall score, the 1 out of 800. Your first step is to open up the Score tab of the review tracker. Here you'll input your subscores, overall score, and your goal score. This will compute several metrics that can help you determine how to balance your time between quant and verbal as you study. For example, this student is starting with 62 subscore points, and their goal of a 700 requires approximately 87. That leaves 25 points to go. And the good news is that they could pick up points on both quant and verbal. They have 16 left of the possible 51 for quant and 18 points for verbal, because verbal scores above a 45 are extremely rare. And with a roughly equal number of points to be gained, I'd recommend studying quant and verbal in roughly equal amounts. So take a moment to reflect on what your current score and goal score indicate for you. Our next step is to review the sections individually, but we'll need to prep your tracker first. Now stick with me for this part. There are a few technical steps that you'll need to follow. So let's start with quant. From the main screen of your cat review, click to review the quant section. Here you'll highlight and copy all of the question-by-question data. Now navigate to the Quant tab in the tracker, scroll all the way to the bottom, and paste your cat data. Finally, mark which questions you got right and which questions you got wrong. And that's it. You'll do the exact same thing for verbal and integrated reasoning. And once you've prepped your tracker, you're ready for the next lesson.